So when I did the hydro oil change on here, I took the tires off to get better access to underneath the thing, and I forgot to torque this one down, and I rode around on it for about a week and it was loosening up, and two of the lug nuts fell off almost pretty much, and it was so loose that it waddled out all of the holes, and it like basically took the threads off of the studs. So now I have to replace the rim and the studs on the what is it called, the hub assembly?
Yeah.
And it was like $300.
But we got the hub assembly from
Jack Small Engines?
Yes, from the Hydro part number instead of the Ferris part number, and that was a whole lot cheaper. But it's still going to cost us right at $300 for this little mistake.
Yep. Alright guys, I'm trying to repair this hub assembly here. I had to order a new one. New lug nuts and a new hub assembly. I guess that's what you call it, I'm not sure. But in order to take it off, you have to take the cap off, and they give you a new one because obviously it cracks and breaks. And it has this cotter pin that goes in through it. So I don't have a 1/2 inch extension for my impact. So I got a breaker bar, and it is a, let's see what size this is, a 36 millimeter. And I'm going to try to break it loose so I could get this whole thing off, because the nuts are frozen and all of the threads are damaged, so it won't come on, it won't tighten or loosen, it's just frozen on there. The rim is all wallowed out, so I had to order a new rim. It's sitting over there, so I'll let you know if I get it off. Alright, so I had to use a cheetah pipe and a breaker bar, but I got it loose. We'll see how hard this is to swap. I looked on YouTube, I couldn't find anything about swapping one of these, and I'm probably the only idiot who did this, so, but just in case somebody else needs to do it, see if the whole thing will come off. I'm not sure if it will.
A few moments later.
Cracked in half. Ball.
I got that big wrench. I changed these on my Mustang on the front a long time ago, and I had to buy that socket for that. I know, same size. I wanted this like a standard size for hub assembly.
Pushing in all the way.
There's the old rim. I'm going to try to see if we can get a rim shop to repair it. Use it as a spare. I don't know. Oh, we got it on the new rim over here. We gotta put the cap back on. like so. I'm going to make sure I tighten the hell out of it this time. It's tight. But just keep that in mind if y'all ever take these wheels off. Make sure these things are torqued down. That was an expensive mistake. So take care.